as a schools division, we trace back that to October 8, 1902. Imagine that, tayo pala yung isa sa mga pinaka-earliest. And then, natanong mo kasi sir, no?
Yes.
Yung, ano ba yung laman ng history of education in Benguet?
Yeah.
So, yan, binanggit natin what was the situation of education during the short-lived Spanish occupation.
Yeah.
And then second, what were the earliest schools established?
Yeah.
Oo. So, binanggit natin yung Buwa School for Girls, established in 1906. But prior to the Buwa School for Girls, na-establish yung Buwa School for Boys in 1901.
So mas nauna yun.
Kaya popular itong si Mrs. Kelly.
Oh yeah.
Yung tumasay.
Yeah. So that, parang, anong year na yun, sir? 1906. Talagang the distance or yung gap ng years nung sinimulan ng Mr. Palmer at Mr. Patrick yung education dito, medyo matagal-tagal pala bago dumating yung mga Thomasites.
Yes, as early as 1899 yun.
Because yung pagkakalam ko is Thomasites na agad yung hindi pala.
So, parang ganito yan. May school houses sa kabayan, kunyari,
yes.
May school houses sa kabayan, ipinagpatuloy yan ni Mr. Palmer. Pero, because of undisclosed reasons, hindi pa natin nabanggit. Bakit kaya bumalik si Mr. Palmer sa Amerika noong 1901? So parang, at the time of the creation of Benguet as a schools division, walang nag-sustain.
I see.
Doon sa school sa kabayan kasi umalis si Mr. Palmer. So, sa record ng mga Americans, yung formally na na-establish doon ay yung Buwa School for Girls ni Mrs. Kelly.
I see. Okay.
Tapos, yung sa Baguio, ito rin yung na-sustain ba yung schoolhouse doon sa what is now Baguio Central School. Mukhang 1901 din, hindi na-sustain kasi may na-put up sa teachers camp.
I see.
Yung sa teachers camp, ito yung Baguio School for Boys, which became Baguio Industrial School for Boys, and then later, Baguio Trades School, Mountain Province School, na ito na yung Baguio City High School na sinasabi ng So, pagamat ganun, parang kinikilala pa rin natin yung efforts ng pagkakaroon ng school during the time.
So it's short-lived, pero nandun pa rin yung
Listening to El Maestro Speaks podcast.